Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by connecting your Garmin to the computer and opening Basecamp or a GPX editor. Once connected, make sure the unit is in mass storage or MTP mode so files are accessible. Now create a new waypoint using the exact latitude and longitude you want and confirm the datum is WGS84. This ensures the coordinates match the device. While creating the point, pick an obvious name so you can find it on the device later. Then save the new waypoint file. With the waypoint saved in Basecamp, drag it to your device icon or export to a GPX file and copy that file into the Garmin/GPX folder on the device. Make sure the file name ends with GPX and contains only standard characters. Some units are picky. Once the file is on the device, safely eject the unit so the file system finishes writing. Doing this transfers the precise coordinates to the device, which is required because most Garmins won't let you do. Now, on the Garmin, open your saved or waypoints list and find the waypoint you transferred. Select it and choose Go To or Set Location to adopt that coordinate as your active target. Once selected, verify the coordinates displayed match what you created and begin navigation to confirm the device uses that position. If the point doesn't appear, reconnect the device. Check the GPX file placed in Garmin/GPX. Confirm WGS84 datum and re-import. Datum or wrong folder is the most common issue to fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.